Many home theater projectors treat gaming like an afterthought, but that's not the case with the BENQ TK700. Every aspect of its design was made with gamers in mind, from its super low input lag to its impressive image contrast and whole screen detail. In this BENQ TK700 review, we'll go through the full details so you can decide if it's the right projector to give you a competitive edge. Installation and space requirements. The BENQ TK700 uses a metal halide bulb that produces 3200 lumens of brightness. That's bright enough to use in most indoor spaces without needing to turn out the light or install blackout curtains on the windows. While the BENQ TK700 is a standard throw projector, its throw distance is shorter than many models in that category. You'll need around 8 to 10 feet between the lens and screen for a 100-inch picture, which is a doable distance in most rooms. There is also a 2D keystone correction, allowing users to square the image even if the projector can't be installed in the perfect position. The 1.3x zoom adds more flexibility, giving it a relatively easy installation overall. Like many projectors today, the TK700 has dual HDMI ports, along with a USB input for peripherals and an RS-232 connection for networking. That's a good mix of inputs for most modern home entertainment setups, though the lack of RCA inputs does make it more complicated to use older or specialized A/V devices like VCRs, past generation gaming systems, or video equipment like camcorders. Image quality. The strong image quality of the BENQ TK700 starts with its native 4K resolution, bringing realistic, sharp details to both movies and games. For color, it uses a 6-segment color wheel that covers 96% of the Rec.709 spectrum, with HDR support and BENQ's proprietary color tuning to ensure the accuracy of the color signal. Maybe the most impressive aspect of the TK700's display is its image contrast. It uses black detail enhancement to maintain a high level of detail in dark areas of the screen. This is especially helpful for gamers, making it easier to spot loot or enemies hidden in the shadows in any game environment. Gaming performance. The BENQ TK700 was made with gamers in mind and is one of the best 4K projectors for gaming on the current market. Its advanced gaming engine gives it a single-digit input lag for gaming in full HD, with a 240 Hz refresh rate that ensures the smooth on-screen action you need for fast-paced first-person shooters and other reflex-based games. It supports gaming in 4K, as well, and while the input lag is a bit higher, it's still well within the acceptable range for professional gamers, measuring 16-17 ms with a 60 Hz frame refresh rate. Sound. To get fully immersed in a game, you need sound effects as powerful and realistic as the picture. Unfortunately, the speaker that comes built into the BENQ TK700 isn't going to provide that. Its single 5-watt speaker is fine for basic TV show dialogue but is severely lacking in both volume output and low-end depth, so you'll want to connect an external sound source for truly powerful sound. On the plus side, there's a 3.5mm audio output on the connection panel, so you can easily connect an external speaker without the need for a receiver or other advanced equipment.